Almonds may be small, but they pack a powerful nutritional punch. Here are 9 big health benefits of including almonds in your diet. 1. Rich in nutrients. Almonds are loaded with healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamin E, magnesium, and antioxidants, making them a well-rounded snack. 2. Heart health booster. High in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, almonds help lower bad cholesterol LDL while maintaining good cholesterol HDL, reducing heart disease risk. 3. Supports brain function. Almonds contain riboflavin and L-carnitine, which are known to support cognitive function and may reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 4. Helps with weight management. The combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats keeps you full longer, reducing overall calorie intake and helping with weight management. 5. Controls blood sugar levels. Almonds have a low glycemic index and are rich in magnesium, which helps improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. 6. Strengthens bones. Packed with calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, almonds help maintain strong bones and teeth, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. 7. Improves skin health. The high vitamin E and antioxidant content in almonds promote healthy, glowing skin by reducing oxidative stress and fighting aging. 8. Supports gut health. Almonds are a good source of prebiotics, which help nourish the good bacteria in your gut, supporting digestion and immune function. 9. A natural energy booster with a good balance of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, almonds provide a steady source of energy without causing blood sugar crash. How to include almonds in your diet. Snack on raw or roasted almonds. Add them to smoothies, oatmeal, or salads. Use almond butter as a spread or dip. Blend them into homemade almond milk. Are almonds already part of your diet, or are you looking for new ways to incorporate them?